Hey, how are you all? After a long time I'm back with a very new tutorial, which is how to make a good color grading on a portrait. So I'm going to make a copy of this background layer. Now I'm converting it to the smart object for controlling the variable of the camera raw filter. Now I'm going to filter and opening the camera raw filter. So on this camera raw filter I will make the main color grading. Therefore in this photo the temperature is so much, so I am going to decrease the temperature a little bit, not much, around -15. Now I'm giving a little bit contrast, around +35, and here I'm decreasing the highlights around -74. Now on this clarity portion I'm going to increase the clarity a little bit, around +21, and I'm increasing the dehedge around +5, and here I'm increasing the vibrance also around +13. Now I'm going to tone curve. So on this tone curve channel I am taking the blue channel, and here I am giving a little bit blue on this shadow portion. Now I'm again taking the channel of green, I'm increasing the highlights of the green channel a little bit, not much. Now I'm taking the channel red, decreasing the highlights of red, not much, little bit, and increasing the highlights of red a little bit. Now I'm going to hue, saturation and luminance. So on saturation portion I'm decreasing the greens around -77 and increasing the orange, and decreasing the yellow as well as, and giving a little bit red. Now I'm going to luminance and increasing the orange from luminance, and decreasing the yellow, now I'm going to hue portion and decreasing the greens around -100, increasing the and decreasing the orange also, and decreasing the yellow as well. Now I'm going to split toning. On split toning option, from highlights I'm taking a yellowish color. The hue will be around 57, and here I am giving the saturation about 25. Now I am taking the shadows and giving the saturation around 25 also. And on the hue portion I am taking the color of green. So now it looks okay. Now I'm going to add some vignette effect from FX and decreasing the amount of vignette and giving the feather around 90%. Decreasing the midpoint. Now just increase the amount. I think -28 is perfect. So now click on OK. So this was the before and this is after. I think it's much more professional than the before one. Now what can we do? We can take an adjustment layer which is exposure and giving the offset around positive 0057, positive 0057, and now I'm going to take the levels and from this level portion just give it to 23 and it's 253. So here is output level 27 and 255. Now let's check what was before and what is now. Just press the Alt button and click on this background layer. So this was the initial photo and this is now. So here the subject is much more pop-up than before. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting. Thank you.